Hi, this is Graeham Watts with Real Estate, and welcome to Redwood City. Redwood City is actually known for having some of the most amazing weather in the Bay Area, with it never getting too hot in the summers and never being too cold in the winters. The city has been working hard to revitalize downtown and had great additions like the San Mateo County History Museum and the amazing Fox Theater. It's actually centrally located as well, right between San Francisco and San Jose, with a Caltrain station with easy access to both. Redwood City is home to great tech companies like Oracle and Box.com. And one of my favorite places to visit in the city is Redwood Shores, where you can get some great fresh seafood, or learn to sail, or even take your kayak out for a spin. If you ever have any interest in buying or selling in Redwood City, give me a call.